Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will be covering three functions: text split, text before, and text after. And I'll show you exactly how to use them. Now let's get started. Here we have this sample data set of full name, first name, last name, username, email, product code, and city. Now our first task is that we have full names here, and from these full names we want to extract first name and last name. Now one way is to manually write it down, but let's say you have thousands of cells like this, so it will take a lot of time. In this case, we will use the text split function. So here in the first name, I will write that function. I'll write equals text split and then open parenthesis. And after this, I will select this full name cell and then a comma. After this, I want to separate it on the basis of a space. As you can see, there is a space between first name and last name. So here in quotation marks, I'll write a space and then I'll close the quotation mark and then the closing parenthesis. When I hit enter, as you can see, we have the first name and last name. And now I'll just drag the cursor down and we have all the first names and last names. Now next, let's say we have this email. As you can see, we have email of different persons, and based on this email, I want to write usernames here. So basically, let's say the first email is james.smith@gmail.com. So for this, I want the username to be james.smith, and similarly for others as well. So in this case, we are going to use text before a function. So here in the username, I will write equals text before and then open parenthesis. And then I will select this email, so this cell, and then comma. And text before, as you can see, next we want to write the delimiter. Now in this case, the delimiter is going to be @. So I'll write in quotation marks @. And I'll just close the parenthesis. This means that we are looking for a text before this @ symbol. Alright, if I hit enter, as you can see, we have the username james.smith. Now we can simply drag this down and we have all the usernames. Or I can just go a step back and instead in the formula, instead of selecting this one only, I can select all of these cells. So here, instead of selecting just one cell, I will just select all of these cells and hit enter. And we have all the usernames in one go. Now, the last task here is to extract city from this product code. As you can see in the product code, at the end we have name of the cities, right? So we want to extract this name in this column. So in this case, we will use the text after function. So here I'll write equals text after and then open parenthesis. And then we will select the text, which in our case is this cell. All right, and then a comma. Now next is the delimiter. So we want to separate text on the basis of this delimiter, that is going to be a hyphen. So I'll just put it in the quotation marks and then a comma. But notice here in this text, we have two hyphens. This is the first one and this is the second one. We want the second hyphen. So here I will write in the instance number, I'll write 2, which means the second one. So basically this formula says I am looking for text after the second hyphen. I will just close the parenthesis and hit enter. And we have the city name. Now I can either drag this down and we will have all the names, or simply just like we did earlier, instead of selecting the one cell only, I can just go back and select all of these cells and then hit enter. And as you can see, we have all the cities in one go. That's all for this video on the text split, text before and text after functions. You can also download this practice file from the link in the description below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more Excel tips.